How to use Canva Docs. Canva Docs tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva Docs and how you can create an impactful document with Canva's online text editor. The link for Canva will be given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out. Canva Docs is a visual first document creator that allows you to design documents supercharged with videos, images, graphic, charts, and graphs. If you sign up with the link given in the description down below, you will be able to get a free version of Canva and you will land right here. So you will be able to find the documents right here under You Might Want to Try. The outlook is going to be very similar to our Canva. You can see at this side of the screen we have templates, elements, uploads, projects, logos, and apps. This is the look and we can just type in whatever we want. At the top, of course, we have our fonts available. We have text size, text color, and if you want to make it bold, italic, or underline it, then we have the alignments and spacing. You can just enter your title and then you will be able to type whatever you want. We have this plus button which is known as Add Magic. So you can click on Add and it will actually give you access to these different tools that are available within Canva. We have Magic Write. Use this option to actually generate content or give commands to our Canva. So this is just like an AI writer. And then you can click on this plus button and you will select a heading, subheading, or a body text. We can now use the Magic Write. So we have our headings ready, and now what I can do is I can again use the Magic Write if I want. And what I will do is I will convert this first heading. We're gonna use this text and actually convert it into heading. So you can select the text and it gives you the link option, and then you can click on these three dots and we have copy, paste, comment, and link. Headings, and I will write the text I want, and then I'll show you how we can use a template, elements, or upload different videos, images to add to a document within Canva. So I have added some text right here for my document. This is just like a blog that I'm writing in a document form. I need to present it somewhere. So we have how to lose weight in 5 steps, and then I generated these steps with the Magic Write option on Canva. How we can actually write a paragraph with Magic Write as well. So all you need to do is you're going to hit Magic Write, and then you just need to add command. I'm going to give the command write a conclusion paragraph on the topic how to lose weight. I'll just hit it. So here we have our conclusion paragraph. We wrote a simple document within our Canva Docs. We can go to the template section, and within the template, we have document templates available. So I can use this one. Then we have the template available. So you can use any of the documents here, and you can even search for a document right here. Then we have the elements. So if you're creating a document yourself, like we started from the scratch, images, hundreds to thousands of royalty-free images available, and even with the paid version of Canva, you will be able to find a lot of relevant images. This one right here, I'm going to add it right here under my selected, or we can drag or drop as well. So I'm going to drag and drop. So we have our main heading, we have our title, and then we have this image. It's too big. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a little space here between my text, and perfect. So now we have this image added for how to lose weight. I'm going to go ahead and add a graphic. All right, so we have this graphic which is very relevant to the heading right here. So I'm just going to create a little bit of space, this one right here. Let's make it a little bit of smaller, and we're going to place it here. Click on these 3 dots and you will be able to copy, paste, and delete. There is one thing with Canva Docs, and that is within our Canva Docs, the images and the graphics, they are added in the center of document. So for this one, let's go to the charts, and let's say I wanted to add a chart right here for the realistic goals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bar chart for that one, just to kind of like show. So it's really easy. You can simply drag and drop it where you want it to be. Click on the chart and now you will be able to customize everything. Because this is a chart related to the weight loss journey. So here I'm going to go with the weeks, change the item names here. So you can customize the different data right here. We have different cells. With settings, you will be able to select the basic settings right here, such as series and, different labels. And we can, of course, add different columns and different rows. All you need to do is just right click, insert column, insert row, delete column, or delete row. So this is how the graphs work within Canva. You can upload a CSV or Google Sheet as well within your document. Colors right here, we will be able to add spacing, roundness, and then we, of course, have the font fonts and everything. Make it a little bit smaller if you want, and you can of course make it larger as well. So let's add a video within a document using Canva. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the video right here. We can also upload a video. Click on these three dots to copy, paste, and delete, or we can upload a video ourselves. We can also adjust different, can edit the video as well using Canva. And now what I'm going to do is adding a table. This one right here, which is going to be, we will show our users. I'm going to be showing within my document that how you can actually plan, can make an eating plan. When it comes to creating a document, you can add any kind of table you want. And when it comes to the table, using a table within the Canva is really easy. We will be able to insert different rows and columns. We have different cells. So what I can do is I can quickly add some, data here. So this is the table we have for the dieting plan, where people will be able to plan their diet. So here we have our document ready, and I showed you how to add a table as well. Then we of course have the upload, we have projects, we have logos. So there are so many things that we can do within our Canva doc, because it gives us the opportunity to work within an amazing editor, and we can create event presentations within our Canva. We can create logos. So if you want to edit something, you can actually click on design. So we have this plus right here, and if I click on the design, it will open up the Canva, a separate canvas for me, where I can actually design different things and add them to my document. So this is the document that I created within Canva. You can see it looks really impressive, and we have a professional document ready using Canva Docs. Go ahead and check it out right now. The link for Canva Docs will be given in the description down below. Canva Docs is an amazing new feature by Canva that allows you to create impactful documents with the online text editor. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.